Hello, beautiful people, welcome back. So today I will show you exactly how to make PDF files in mobile phone by using FlatScan PDF Scanner app. But before I start, make sure to smash the like button if you have yet anyways. Step 1. Open Google Play Store app and click on the search bar and search vFlat Scan PDF Scanner. After installing the app, let's open it. So please wait a moment. And click here while using the app. After that, gives allow. Next, click here, agree and start. Click next. Click next. Click next. Click next. Click here, close.
Step 2. Next, click here, Create PDF. Don't make minimum, you will lose the quality of PDF file. Next, click on Create PDF. Step 3. Open Files Manager and click on Documents and open it. Select the folder, open folder, and share with anyone. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe if you are new here.